everyone, so I want to give you a tip about mixing your henna. So first you're going to open your capsule. You're going to pop the top. So you're going to tap, 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 tap to get a good amount. And then you're going to add a few drops of the activator. Of course, you're going to prime the skin and clean it before application. Okay, so you want the consistency to be something like that, to where if you're making lines in the cup, it's not too liquidy. You want it a little bit thick. And when you apply it, you're going to apply a first layer, wait 10 minutes, then apply another layer. And for the very fronts of the eyebrows, you can add a few more drops of the activator to thin it out a little bit. But this is the consistency that you want. You don't want it too liquidy. This is the one I like. You can have it a little bit too liquidy if you want a lighter color, but the thicker the paste, the darker the color typically. Okay, so after you mix it, you want to let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes to oxidize to give you the perfect color for your client before you start application. So you don't want to like mix it and then just go ahead and start applying it. You want to let it rest and oxidize for 5 to 10 minutes before your service. So mix it first thing first and then start mapping. So that is the tip I want to give you guys.